All right, in this assessment, we are going to assess cranial nerves. I'll explain to you what the tasks that I want you to complete, and then you'll follow my directions, okay? All right, first we're going to assess cranial nerve number 1, the olfactory nerve. If you'll close your eyes, cover one of your nostrils. I'll put this underneath and you can smell. Keep your eyes closed, cover the other nostril, and then smell again. What scent was it?
Orange.
Okay, very good. All right, second, we're going to assess the optic nerve. Place this card over your left eye. I'll place this card over my left eye. When you see my finger, tell me.
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
All right. Next, we're going to assess the ocular motor, the trigeminal, and the abducens. We're going to assess his eyes for perla. Their pupils are going to be equal, reactive, and responsive to light, which they constrict when the light is shined in them. All right. Focus on something over my shoulder. When you see my finger, I want you to focus on it. And we notice that his pupils went from a dilated to a constricted. And next, we are going to assess the trigeminal nerve. If you will clench your teeth one more time. And I can feel that these muscles constricted and contracted. Next, we're going to assess number 7, the facial nerve. If you will raise your eyebrows up for me, stick out your tongue, and then give me a big smile. All right, to assess cranial nerve number 8, the acoustic nerve, I'm going to place my hand over your right ear. I'm going to whisper something, and you just have to repeat it.
Merry Christmas.
Okay. All right, so cranial nerve number 9, we use pen light. We're going to assess the glossopharyngeal. We're looking for the uvula and the soft palate to move up when you stick your tongue out and say ah.
Ah.
Okay, we saw that. We assessed cranial nerve number 10, the vagus nerve, because his voice was nice and smooth. We will assess cranial nerve number 11, the spinal accessory nerve. If you'll just push up, very good. He was able to shrug his shoulders against resistance. And then finally, we will assess cranial nerve number 12, the hypoglossal nerve, and we will just ask you to stick your tongue out, move it side to side. And that completes the assessment of cranial nerves.